The LG OLED Evo C4 TV is available in sizes ranging from 42 inches to 77 inches. In total, there are 5 size options available for the Evo C4 TV. The sizes available for the LG OLED Evo C4 TV are 42, 48 inches, 55 inches, 65 inches and 77 inches. The TV will also be available in future with an 83-inch version. The LG OLED C4 Evo series of TVs have a 4K 120Hz OLED high refresh screen. The screen has 4 professional certifications for low blue light, no flicker, low glare, and no reflection. The TV is a vision-friendly product and features 4 HDMI 2.1 interfaces. The LG OLED Evo C4 TV features AMD picture synchronization technology and supports NVIDIA. It has a variable refresh rate (VRR) that reaches 144 Hz while the audio supports 9.1.2 virtual surround sound, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. It is equipped with a game optimizer and you can customize your sound preferences via its sound quality settings menu. The AI performance of the new LG OLED Evo C4 TV is improved from its predecessor. It is equipped with the latest version of the Alpha 9 General 7 decoding chip with significant improvements from the Alpha 5 processor of traditional TVs. The AI performance is improved by 1.5 times, image improvement is by 4.5 times, and the processing speed is 2.2 times higher. The TV features AI intelligent audio and video tuning for a more realistic viewing and listening experience. The dynamic tone mapping technology enhances the global contrast and image grayscale via frame-by-frame analysis. The new LG OLED TVs have an HDR image performance enhancer and run on WebOS operating system. The operating system will get up to 4 upgrades within 5 years, according to LG.